Hello! This lesson is going to be about singular and plural words and demonstrative pronouns. To change a singular word to a plural word, we add ler or lar. So, what is the rule? Do you remember vowels? The vowels are separated two parts in Turkish. A, I, O, U are hard vowels and E, I, Ö, Ü are soft vowels. If a Turkish word ends with one of soft vowels, we are using ler. And if a Turkish word ends with one of hard vowels, we are using lar. Let me give you two examples. Araba means car and it is singular. If we want to make it plural, because of last vowel is hard, we will add lar. So it becomes arabalar. Kalem means pencil. Also it is singular. Because of last vowel is soft, in this case we will add ler. So it will be kalemler. Now, let's check demonstrative pronouns. The mind of demonstrative pronouns in English is same as Turkish. So let's start. This, bu, that, şu, these, bunlar, those, şunlar. There is just a point about difference in Turkish. I will explain this difference with examples. In English, you say this car. And in Turkish we say bu araba. This part is same. In English you say that car. And in Turkish we say şu araba. Also this part is same. In English, when you say these cars, in Turkish we don't say bunlar arabalar. We say bu arabalar. Let me tell you why. Because in Turkish mind, arabalar is already plural. So we don't use two plurals together. Also, same rule works for those. In English, those cars. In Turkish, şu arabalar. Actually, the mind is so simple. If you have any question about subjects of our videos, please don't hesitate to write me via comments. See you in next lessons. Bye!